What you got there?
It's on.
It is. Is it singing? So it's the Leapfrog Fridge Phonics magnetic letter set with the school bus. Veronica seems very excited. Now this is the first toy we've bought for Veronica. But Liam and Veronica are going to share it together, right? You guys can't even wait to open it to play with it. Let's take a look at the back. So it has 26 letters. The bus, it has an off switch.
The driver steers the bus. Here's the
And now we are big fans of Leapfrog because they have some pretty smart stuff. Right, Liam? So, Liam, can you try opening it?
Yeah.
Help your sister open it. So it's singing along while Liam tries to open it. Oh, Veronica, look! Is Liam opening it for you? Wow! Oh, wow!
I am opening it for her.
Yeah. Veronica, look! Wow! Wow! That's not an easy one to open. Yeah, try it from the bottom. See if you can open the bottom there. What's in the bottom? Oh, wow, Veronica, look! Letters! Letters! Whoa! And look, they're blue, yellow, and red. Green. Can you get it out now? There you go.
You have to pull it down.
Yeah. Let's get the can you get the plastic off of it? You get good practice with this, huh? Pulling them off now. Whoa! Get the letters out. Whoa. Do they stick? Does everything stick to the fridge? What? Yeah! Okay, get that last letter out.
There's still more.
Okay, yeah.
One out.
Does this stick to the fridge? Yes, it does. Uh-oh. Losing our letters. Got it? Okay, stick the letters. Start sticking the letters to the fridge. And Mama can open all of them for you. Alright, hey, Miss Veronica. She's just trying to make a mess. So the letters all stick to the fridge. And we have red ones and green ones, blue and yellow. Right, Liam?
Yeah.
So we're just sticking all the letters, or attempting to, as Veronica cleans house. Good thing they have good magnets on them. Put her in there.
Okay.
Every letter makes a sound. R says
Press it again. Press it again.
R. Red. Red light. Stop the bus.
That's your favorite sound?
Doesn't matter sound.
R. Red. Red light. Stop the bus.
Veronica wants to put B in there. Let's try the letter B for her.
B.
There.
B. B says book. B says book. Every letter makes a sound. B says book.
Oh, did you take it out? You did take it out, little girl.
You know which one I'm going to get?
Which one?
So this is the one I want.
Says ooh, and ooh says Every letter makes a sound. Ooh says ooh, and on the bus.
And then this button.
A B C
Play
D
some
E
songs.
F G H I J K L M N O P.
Oh, Liam showed us the off button. Yeah. So this is all of the alphabet with the little buzz. Can you put A in there for me, please, Liam?
Yes.
A says A, and A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. A says A.
Can you press it again?
Ah. A, avenue. We're cruising down the avenue.
Sure. I would love B.
B says book. B says book. Every letter makes a sound. B says book.
And Veronica's satisfied with the box.
What do I see next?
Yes, please.
C says says every letter makes a sound. C says says
You didn't let it hear the second part.
Every letter makes
Remember,
a
they
sound.
all
C
have a word too. Can you put the C back in? Oh.
C, car. How many cars do you see? 1, 2,
Are
3.
you sad?